In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for email by date in Outlook. If you've ever struggled to find a message from a specific day or month, this will save you tons of time. We'll use Outlook on the web, and I'll show you two simple ways. Using the built-in filters and using a quick search query. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Outlook, then open the official Outlook website. Once your mailbox loads, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. Click inside the search bar to activate search across your mail. Next, look for the filter icon near the search bar. This opens a panel that lets you narrow things down. In the filter panel, find the date section. This is where you can set the exact time frame you want to search. Choose a start date to tell Outlook when the range begins, then choose an end date to set when it ends. Think of it like bracketing the window of time you care about, maybe the entire last month, or a specific week when you know the conversation happened. After you've picked your dates, confirm the filter and run the search. You can click the search button or press enter. Your results will refresh to show only the messages received during that time range. If you don't see what you expect, double-check the dates you selected. It helps to make sure the start date isn't after the end date, and that you're looking in the correct mailbox view. There's also a faster, keyboard-friendly method right in the search bar. Instead of opening filters, you can type a date query. The most useful one is the received operator. For example, type received, January 2026, and press enter. Outlook will instantly filter to messages received during that month. You can use the same approach for a specific day by typing a full date in your region's format, like received, January 15th, 2026. This is great when you remember the time frame, but not the sender or subject. A few quick tips as you work. If your results feel too broad, add a keyword after your date query to combine filters, like a client name or project term. If you ever want to start over, clear the search to remove the date constraint. And if your mailbox is large, give Outlook a moment to load results. Filters that target a date range still need to scan your mail. That's it. Two reliable ways to search by date in Outlook: the filter panel for a visual calendar selection, and the received operator for fast, precise typing.